Hello guys, so if you're in Nairobi, then you will find these ingredients for making multipurpose soap in your estate. There will be a place to buy, just ask around. But if you're in town, you can buy around OTC. We have shops that sell these chemicals, but this particular one, I got it at Sunbeam. It's a new shop, and maybe I'll link the details if you need them. So this is very easy to make. That's why I went for these ingredients, because they are labeled and they come with an instruction manual. So most of us make this multi-purpose liquid soap, but it turns out badly because we don't mix enough, or we do the steps wrong. So for this one, they have a step that is stipulated. So you put the ingredients that are labeled one, like I have done, and then you mix for 20 minutes. Yes guys, 20 minutes. And then you add water, and then you again mix until that water is completely dissolved. It will also take you about 20 minutes. Then after you have finished, you will add the materials that are indicated number 2. Here they are, and that is just the color, the preservative, and the fragrance. And then you will add the water that was remaining, and then you will mix for 5 minutes. Now guys, this step is very important. After doing mixing step 1, ingredients in step 1 and ingredients in step 2, then you add the water and you mix. This is where we get it wrong, by adding salt immediately. So what you do for this step, you wait for 24 hours. Actually the next day, like for me, I was not in a hurry, so I made this and then I waited for 24 hours. You can see how foamy it is. So this foam will go down in this period of time. The foam will go down, and this is it after 24 hours. Now after the 24 hours are over, it is when you add the salt. Now guys, when you are adding the salt, make sure that you add in portions, kidogo kidogo, until you reach your desired thickness. So you will notice that if you add too much salt, then the soap will be runny, the soap will be watery. But if you add just the right amount of salt, then it will be very thick. And this is the way I wanted my soap. I wanted it to be thick so that I can use it kidogo, and then it cleans a lot of space. So guys, just take note that you add salt bit by bit. Do not pour the whole salt that you are given. If you want to have thick soap, just go adding salt bit by bit, and you will achieve your required results. So I hope this one helps. So we are just going to finish we are going to finish making the soap, and then we'll pack it, and yeah, that will be it. Thank you so much for watching this video up to this moment, and I hope that I've been able to teach you a thing or two. If you are new, please consider to subscribe. Bye.